Welcome back, Focus learners! Today we're diving into a massive source of anxiety for anyone trying to upgrade their home. We are literally dismantling the overwhelming jargon and the immense stress of home renovations right here in Malaysia. If you've been putting off that kitchen upgrade because, well, dodging sambal splatters feels easier than dodging contractor jargon, you are absolutely in the right place.
Okay, let's dive into this because this right here is the ultimate roadblock. So many of us, especially homeowners in Johor, want to remodel. You want that gorgeous, functional space, right? But the anxiety of planning, combined with the sheer terror of an astronomical bill, it just stops you dead in your tracks. Today, we're validating that exact anxiety, and then we're going to completely cure it.
Here's our roadmap for today's explainer. We'll start with the kitchen renovation trap, then bust 4 massive myths. Big budgets required, small means cramped, looks over utility, and aluminum is cold. Finally, we'll talk about making your dream a reality. Let's get right into it.
Section 1. The kitchen renovation trap: jargon, stress, and overwhelm. Before you even look at a catalog, industry terms like work triangle or task lighting get thrown around. It can make you feel like you need an architecture degree just to cook a meal, completely trapping you in confusion and rushed decisions.
Moving on to Section 2, myth number 1. Big budgets required and why luxury really isn't about the price tag. This is the very first major hurdle for so many young couples and parents. There's this terrifying misconception out there that getting a beautiful, customized kitchen means completely emptying your bank account.
Now, what's really interesting about this is how we need to completely flip the script on what luxury actually means. A highly successful, stunning renovation doesn't rely on the most expensive aesthetic features. Not at all. It relies heavily on smart, practical layout design and incredibly durable materials.
Think about the practical upgrades that actually change your day-to-day life. We're talking pull-out drawers so you aren't digging around in the dark for that one pot, tall pantry cabinets that use your vertical space, and hidden storage to instantly eliminate visual clutter. Add in soft close systems and super durable, easy-to-maintain quartz countertops, you've got a custom space that perfectly fits your family's actual lifestyle, all without breaking the bank.
Section 3, myth number 2. Small means cramped. Let's talk about optimizing apartment and condo spaces. This is a very real struggle for apartment owners in Johor who look at their limited square footage and just assume, their space is way too small to ever be attractive and functional.
The myth tells you you're stuck with this cramped feeling, but the fact is, smart design optimizes both light and vertical space. Well-planned, custom-built cabinets are literally the secret weapon here. They can create a massive amount of extra storage without making the room feel crowded or claustrophobic.
And this brilliantly illustrates how applying some simple, targeted design choices changes everything. By using bright cabinet colors, light-reflecting quartz countertops, and glass panel cabinets, you visually open up the whole room. Add in vertical storage and custom-built corner cabinets that use every single inch of dead space, and suddenly, a tiny kitchen instantly feels expansive and airy.
Section 4, myth number 3. Looks over utility and the hidden dangers of poor planning. Look, it's incredibly tempting to just scroll through social media, pick the prettiest aesthetic, and stop there. But prioritizing looks over your actual daily workflow, that is a one-way ticket to cluttered countertops and a kitchen that's an absolute nightmare to clean.
Because cabinets are not just pretty facades. Modern kitchen cabinets are hard-working tools. If you only care about the appearance, you're going to end up with a terrible workflow. A truly good cabinet system dictates your daily convenience, your storage organization, and the long-term durability of the whole room. So, the crucial point is that functional features are what actually make your kitchen a joy to use. Built-in organizers, smart pull-out storage, and heat and moisture-resistant materials, those are non-negotiable, especially for heavy Malaysian cooking, right? Lots of high-heat stir-frying, lots of oils. Having easy-to-clean, highly durable surfaces makes everyday cooking so incredibly comfortable and stress-free.
Section 5, myth number 4. Aluminum is cold. Let's look at the modern evolution of cabinet materials. For a really long time, there was this outdated belief that aluminum belonged strictly in commercial, industrial kitchens and nowhere near a cozy family home.
But wow, has that completely changed? The myth says aluminum looks too industrial, but the fact is, modern aluminum offers incredibly elegant, premium finishes. Homeowners can now choose from a huge variety of warm colors, distinct textures, and really sleek glass panel designs to create a highly stylish, contemporary environment.
And beyond those beautiful aesthetics, here is why this material is an absolute game changer. It's highly durable and incredibly resistant to moisture, termites, and heat. When you're dealing with the humid, wet kitchen environments we have here in Malaysia, aluminum isn't just a stylish choice. It is literally the smartest, most bulletproof investment you can make for your home.
Section 6. Making your dream reality. Let's move to and see how this builds, transitioning from design theory into actual, flawless execution. We'll look at a trusted local partner in Johor, AmpQuartz, to see exactly how these principles are applied in the real world.
Their whole approach focuses on co-creation. Cabinets designed by you, built by us. It means working directly with designers to make sure the setup perfectly matches your family's unique lifestyle and cooking habits. It's an empowering, educational process that puts you, the homeowner, right in the driver's seat.
And the best part, these direct factory full house solutions seamlessly expand far beyond just the kitchen. Imagine taking that same custom, durable approach and organizing every single room in your home. From a perfectly organized custom wardrobe to a sleek TV console that completely hides all those messy cables, right down to a shoe cabinet that keeps your entryway pristine. It's a total home transformation, all based on smart design.
Direct factory pricing can actually completely shatter the barrier of affordability. Think about this: basic kitchen cabinet packages starting at 9,500 ringgit. That proves once and for all that a custom, high-quality space is well within reach without needing some crazy astronomical budget.
Plus, by utilizing 0% interest installment plans for up to 24 months, those huge upfront costs are simply no longer a roadblock. Young couples or families looking to upgrade their living space right now can do it without feeling immense financial pressure right out of the gate.
Ultimately, it all comes back to this one idea. Today's kitchen is no longer just a utilitarian cooking space. It's the absolute heart of the home. It's where families gather, where meals are prepared, and where daily memories are made. A beautifully customized, durable space profoundly improves your daily family living experience. It literally reduces stress and increases joy every single day.
So, I want to leave you with this provocative question. If budget and space were no longer obstacles holding you back, what would your co-created dream home actually look like? It's time to stop stressing over the jargon, bust through the myths, and start designing your dream space today. Thanks for tuning into this explainer, and keep learning.